Coffee and Diamonds here. Here with an unboxing. I know that this unboxing has probably been done 400,000 times before, but I don't believe I've unboxed it on my channel before. So, y'all know I knit, I crochet, and I wanted to try the, I wanted to try the circular knitting machine. So if you want to watch me unbox it and give it a go, stay tuned. Okay guys, so we got to get her open first. I know YouTube really doesn't like knives, but how else are we going to open it? I did get this from Amazon. I actually used some points from my Fetch app, which I will have linked below, to purchase it. So basically for me it was free, but it did take probably 2 months of scanning receipts, but it was worth it. Yes. Anyway, so if you hear anything, there's a cat. I also have a dog. All right, here we go. This is the big one. It is the 48 pin. I'll save that. All right, guys, the Sentro 48 pin. I'm gonna put this down here for the cats to play in. Anyway, guys, so it looks like this right here. So we are gonna open her up. I know it looks more like a kid's toy, which basically that's how it's made, I reckon. Not sure if it's marketed. Y'all don't use your fingernails to open packages. Do what I say, not what I do. That's what I used to tell my kids. Okay. So it's a lot of tape. Okay, here we go. I do like the little handle. Whoops, upside down. Per usual for everything I do. It's always first backwards. There we go. I'm gonna keep the box because with Amazon, if you know something breaks or if the counter breaks, which I've heard could happen very soon within getting the product, or the yarn tensioner, to pack her back up, submit your replacement, and they will ship you one straight out usually. So we have some instructions. Then they give you some yarn, one tiny one, two tiny ones, and two bigger ones. These are probably 50 grams maybe. And the smaller 25. Don't quote me on it. We have our legs and our screws and everything in there. Open her up. All right. So there we go. She's a beast. She's pretty big. While I was looking for a machine, I was going back and forth between the Addy knitting machine and the Sentro or Sentro, whatever. And price point wise, this one won. So yeah. All right, so here she is. She's got a counter here and her ring candle. Sounds pretty smooth so far. Also, you have your tube and your panel knit settings. So I'm gonna put this together. So I'm gonna put my suction cups on first because I noticed that in a lot of videos, people were having an issue getting them on while they were on the machine. And I don't want to break it, so. Much rather do it this way. They don't go all the way on, so I don't know if it's, I have to push them more or what. That hurt. Yeah, we're gonna leave it like that. Now, this video is no way sponsored by Amazon. I'm wearing an Amazon shirt because I work for Amazon. They pay me, but not to do this kind of stuff. Anywho's it's. All right, so let's get these on. I reckon it doesn't matter which one as long as you screw them in. If you have one of these, let me know down in the comments. Wait a second. And I do not want to scratch up this table, so I'm trying to be extra cautious. does appear that the screwdriver is a little magnetic, which helps. And it looks like Mimsy may make an appearance again. I'm not 100% sure. It all depends on what she wants to do tonight. Ma'am, she has found the box. Hi, darling. It's just maybe easier before you put the suction cups on, but I just didn't want to fight with it. Okay. We have put her together. Okay, so we're gonna put our suction cups down. Let's give her a try. Oh, there we go. She works, as far as I can tell. So, we're gonna put our tension guide on, which just slips in here at the front. I'd show y'all, but y'all are over there and I'm right here. Just pop it in. Maybe. Yeah. Yep, you squeeze it. Okay, guys. So, seem like really good suction cups. So here she is in all her fine glory. Again, I think this is the biggest one they have, the 48 pin. I would love to get the smaller one, but that's going to take a couple more weeks of scanning in the Fetch app, which again will be linked below. Yeah, also there will be a link for this knitting machine. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching my video. If you like it and you want to see more unboxings like this, go ahead and let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you feel like it. But yeah, but like I say in all my videos, guys, tell the people in your life you love them. You never know if you're ever going to get another chance. All right, guys, bye.